Good morning, this is Bongo Rick coming from the southern Finger Lakes region of New York. I am a organic, regenerative small-scale farmer in the Finger Lakes region. So my thoughts on purpose, many people here before me have defined it very well, so I'll say as a farmer, um, our purpose, first of all, is to bring good, clean food and medicine to people locally, fresh. Uh, Second of all, we deal with our resources, our soils and water and all that. And our purpose there is to work hard to keep them resourceful, to keep our soils rich, and so that we can produce these things year after year. Another purpose we have is to learn from our elders, the farmers that came before us, because many of these things are not, written down and taught in schools. So we must learn these things from the other farmers and pass them down to the younger generation. Um, and then, lastly, I'd say as a farmer, our purpose is to stay positive, to realize that there is negative to deal with. We have things break down all the time and weather problems and things go wrong. And so the purpose is to stay positive, and rise above that and find solutions, solve problems, fix things, and keep moving on. And you can kind of apply that to life as well. So thanks for this opportunity, Laxley. Big up.